Are you looking for alternative ways to keep your hair clean without always relying on traditional shampoo and water? Whether you're aiming to reduce chemical exposure, conserve water, or need a quick solution when regular washing isn't an option, we've got you covered. Now, before we dive into the specifics of these alternative methods for hair cleansing, let's take a brief pause. This is a great moment to reflect on why you might be looking for these alternatives. Are you trying to cut back on harsh chemicals? Are you looking to save water? Or perhaps you're on the hunt for a quick and easy solution for those busy mornings or camping trips. Whatever your reason, remember that everyone's hair is unique. What works for one person may not work for another, but don't be discouraged. Keep trying until you find what works best for you. The perfect solution is out there, and we're here to help you find it. Now, let's get back to the list. First up, dry shampoo. This powder-based lifesaver absorbs excess oil and leaves your hair looking refreshed. Just apply it to the roots and brush it out. Remember, it's a quick fix, not a permanent solution. Another method that we would like to mention is co-washing, a method that's ideal for maintaining the natural oils of curly or dry hair. And it consists in using conditioner instead of shampoo to cleanse and moisturize so that you don't wash out your hair's natural oils. Remember, these methods may seem unconventional, but they are proven to be effective. It's all about finding what works best for your hair type and lifestyle. As we explore further, consider the pros and cons. Which method appeals to you the most? Keep this in mind as we continue our journey to healthier hair. An apple cider vinegar rinse can work wonders. It balances your scalp's pH and adds a brilliant shine to your hair. Reflect on what you've learned so far and consider how these methods might fit into your routine. The next method involves baking soda, a powerful cleanser that can remove buildup effectively. But be cautious, as it can be drying if used too often. In the next part, we'll continue exploring more unconventional but effective ways to keep your hair clean. Herbal rinses like chamomile or rosemary are gentle ways to cleanse and nourish your hair. Picture yourself in your bathroom applying these herbal rinses or aloe vera to your hair. Imagine the fresh, earthy scents filling the room and the feeling of treating your hair with respect and care. We're not only talking about alternatives to shampoo here, we're talking about a new approach to hair care, one that respects and enhances the natural beauty of your locks. So take a moment, breathe in, and let the knowledge settle. Aloe vera isn't just for skin, it's a fantastic hair cleanser and conditioner too. Clay washes such as bentonite or rasol absorb oil and impurities, leaving your hair squeaky clean. These natural alternatives not only clean your hair, but also nourish it. The minerals in the clay help to balance the pH of your scalp and promote healthy hair growth. So, not only are we keeping our hair clean, but we're also taking steps to maintain and improve its health. Next, don't underestimate the power of brushing. It helps distribute natural oils and removes dirt. Brushing is a simple yet effective method to keep your hair clean. Now, we're heading towards an even simpler method: water-only washing. It's fascinating how simplicity can lead to great results, isn't it? Sometimes less is indeed more. Water-only washing is exactly what it sounds like. It may take time to adjust, but it's all about simplicity. In the next scene, we'll be discussing a temporary quick fix for greasy hair. So let's speak about cornstarch or baby powder as a quick fix for greasy hair, much like dry shampoo. Cornstarch and baby powder not only absorb excess oil, but are also cost-effective and easily accessible. So next time you're in a pinch, reaching for these household items could be your hair's best friend. But remember, these are just quick fixes and should not replace your regular hair cleansing routine. Finally, remember, everyone's hair is unique. So find the method that works best for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this.